Hi friends, welcome to my channel Crochet and Best. I hope you are all my friends as well. I'm well also. In this video I will show you very beautiful things made of crochet. Different things can you use to in your daily life. In this video of mine you will see a very beautiful different things. These different things are very beautiful, unique and stylish. All these things are made of crochet. These different things can use in your home. I like this video very much. This video you can many ideas. So friends, my English is not good, but I try to best. In this video, I will show you different designs and different things, colorful. All my friends can benefit from this video of me. All those friends who are interested in Croatian work can choose different things and designs, colors by watching this video. This video helped them a lot, and my friends who are doing Croatian business can also benefit from it. I try to share a good video for all my friends. For this, I need your help and support. Please support me and comment your opinions. If you like the video, please give me your comments and opinion. Let me know and like my videos, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you are very like these videos. Many friends my help me a lot of watch my videos. Thank you so much my friends. Bye, take care.